What's going on, crypto gang? We had a little bit of trouble in the stock market today. Not sure what that was. I'm going to have to dive into that later. I'm going to go through it a bit more on tomorrow. So, this is a crypto market recap for February 21st. Let's see what happened. So, right now, we've basically double topped. We broke by 1 penny or 1.1% and came back down. I was looking at this like a cup and handle. But oh wait, we didn't break it. What? Okay, that is weird. 61.44, 61.43. That is weird. I'm getting two different prices here. This is weird. I don't know what's happening here. Anyways, okay, we'll look at this like it's an equilibrium on the daily. There's just something's going on with the trading view charts. They're not proper at the moment. Anyways, from the daily candle, we've double topped, and if we lose the low here, that would be the best case scenario. Yeah, see, it doesn't say that we double topped on this price action, but it does on the other one. Anyways, if it looks like they're trying to pull this down, we want to lose this low here for crypto alts. Bitcoin itself had a big red day. I've still got this 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. We did break bull there. We are still expecting 4-hour higher low, which we are just setting right now. And we have to gauge where this bounce comes from to determine if this is going to be a bear flag or if we're going to get a significant bounce that we do an equilibrium. So at this point, we assume a potential equilibrium, but we need to see more follow through on this bounce here on the 4-hour. Ethereum, same thing, but we have less room to work with. We're, almost a double bottom here pretty much. Still in this tightening range essentially, just getting more choppy. Everything is still in this mother bar. Oh, we actually broke out for briefly, but right back into it. We need to get out of this mother bar and break bull. XRP in the 4-hour equilibrium as well, just in a better position than Bitcoin and Ethereum, above its mother bar. Yeah, so equilibrium to look out for here. Volatility is going to be coming, and the way the stock market's setting up, it could be leaning bear at this time, but we will see. I'm not sure exactly what happened in the stock market as far as if there was news that affected it, but we will know. I'll know more tomorrow and deep dive into it. So Litecoin, watching this inverse head and shoulders, we double top now, so that's a red flag that we double topped and then broke down. So we still have a daily uptrend. We need to hold this low now, this double bottom, tweezer bottom. We are holding the 12 moving average as of now, but this is overall that's not a good look if that's what happens. Hype still in this equilibrium, nothing changes. We need to see, ideally we see more of a bounce, but this looks like it made it to the golden pocket, so we should have enough room for a higher low on the way down. BNB, we do have a confirmed daily downtrend. This could be putting in a quick lower high, so there's that to watch out for. We're still above the 0.5, which is good, and the 200 moving average is around the 0.5. So to increase the likelihood of continuation, we just want to hold this 0.5 level, which is right here of this entire move. Okay, Solana, weak bear flagging on the daily. As I said, this is a giant head and shoulders with a weak right shoulder, and now we're just bear flagging on the daily, potentially we're trying to confirm a daily bear flag. So not a good look on Solana. I don't like that. Ondo confirmed. We had the daily bear flag here, confirmed, closed under the 200 moving average. This is not a good look. We're looking down at this. The panic low now. Link, same thing. Seeing the continuation down. Now we're looking at the panic low. Sui still in the equilibrium, great sign, holding up. The break of this will probably determine the direction, so hopefully it holds up. Mochi, we've lost the 0.5 now, decreased our probability of our inverse head and shoulders. Not that it still won't happen, it's just now we'll definitely see a lower high, most likely see a lower high before that happens. We're continuing our daily downtrend. Mochi's starting to look weak. We're at the 50 moving average in the golden pocket. We want to hold this ideally to show some strength. Once we get to the 0.786, it just gets long and drawn out. Alpha, daily bear flag, or it looks like we hit the 0.5, at least on the way up, but we're at equilibrium. Now we're looking for the higher low than right here, but it's not looking the best on Alpha. Caspa, did that break? Yes, it did break, but no follow through as of yet. So let's see what we got here. On this move, we're still holding the golden pocket. We want to hold this level ideally and come up on the daily. We would still be expecting a lower high than this pivot here, but ideally we chop around here instead of falling even further below the golden pocket. AVAX, back testing this rising wedge and closing below the 12 moving average. It's guiding it down. Like you can see, it's very clearly no closes are happening above this 12 moving average. That's a very clear resistance. You need to close above this to kind of give you a hint that, all right, we're changing directions. But as of now, it's just guiding it down. Ton, same thing. Little peak above there, but shot right down. Now we're completely being guided down. Ton looks awful. And Trump, I'm assuming, is the same. Still looking for its daily higher low than this bottom. That would be the most likely scenario, but if we keep fading and setting low, like doing a staircase, that increases the likelihood that we could just fall through if we just let it keep cooling off on the smaller time frames. The 12 moving average is now guiding us down. We're currently double bottomed here pretty much, and we need that to hold. Otherwise, yeah, we're just looking at this double bottom low and then all-time lows. All right, that's it for today. I'm gonna do a bit more of a deep dive tomorrow, and hope you have a great weekend. Goodbye.